Okay, here are 3 Sanyo ductless mini-split inverter air conditioning units at a commercial building. Here's this one, which is running. And these are Sanyo PAC-i DC inverter units. Oh, and this one just turned off, I think. Yeah, this one just turned off. This has R410 refrigerant. And I'm not exactly sure what year ton it is. It's a street cool, I think. And then here's this one, which is running. This one has a bunch of warm air coming out of it. So I'm pretty sure it's in cool mode right now. And then there's data for that. And then here's a Sanyo Flex-i multi-inverter unit. Nice. This one's interesting. This one's not running. And I think the data's gone for this one. But yeah, these are located at a commercial building at the University of Iowa Research Park. This is actually the same exact building with those 2 vintage trains they just filmed. And this one just came back on. These 3 are on the other side of the place. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these 3 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.